What is up and what is poppin', YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here and you've never seen my face before, I'm Renee Grace and this is the Grace Gang. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. Okay, sis? Today's video is all about cleaning out my purse. Well, showing you guys what is in my purse, but cleaning it out because it is time to change into a different purse. As you guys seen from the intro clip, this is my junk purse. Okay, if you don't know what a junk purse is, it is a purse with a lot of things on it, aka junk. A lot of junk. And I have a lot of junk on my purse. It came with this writing on it. I got this purse from TikTok Shop. Let's start there. Purse is from TikTok Shop. It came with the writing on it, and it says, "Good trippy heart, take a trip with me." If you know me, you know that fits my vibe. And then I have this little decal print here, which is coming off. I gotta redo her. My little decal print with my black girl with her bantu knots. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Real black aesthetic. This one here says, "I'd rather be napping." I used to have one that said, "I'm here for the tacos," but it kept falling off, so I took it off. I got my little teddy bear from TJ Maxx. He's stunting like his daddy. Who's his daddy? We don't know. I got these cute little Halloween pin on one side. And then I'm going to hold it the other way because this joint is heavy. It's so much crap in here. I got this pin that says Good Human, which one of my customers gave to me at work. And then I have this little cute teddy bear and a purse that my best friend gave me. Her mom made this and then she gave it to me. So yes, this is my ginormous purse and you can tell she's heavy. So I did not clean this bag out. This bag is as dirty as it's going to be. I wanted to give y'all the raw deal. I know some people do these purse videos and they clean their purses out. I didn't, okay? This chain is in the way. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. Let me try to show y'all. This bag don't have no bone to it. Like y'all can see like that. Okay, and then look at the It's a lot, sis. It's a lot. We're gonna get through it. Let me move the chain out the way. We're gonna start with the front pocket. Front pocket, okay? I got all kinds of crap in here. What is this? Okay. Euphoria nails. Customer recommended me to go to a nail salon. I don't even get my nails done no more. My regular nails, I use press-ons. Somebody recommended me to go to a nail salon. I kept this. Am I going to keep it? I don't know. Probably not. Because, like I said, I don't go get my fingernails done no more. And I already have, my nail police. Another thing. This is a QR code to book a nail spa with a black-owned nail company. I don't get my nails done. People just keep recommending them to me. And then I got another business card from one of my customers that owns a horse stable. It was like, if you and your homegirl like to ride horses, just let me know. You can come to the stable. We'll book something, and you guys can have a ball. Okay. Working in retail will have you meeting random people who offer you random things. As you can see, a horse stable. I'm not joking either. Like, I'm gonna take the numbers off so you don't see the number. It says the Circle B horse stable, horse and pony rides for parties. Can y'all see that? Yeah, it's horsies on there. Look. I'm trying not to get the information out. Look. Let me do the original. Yeah, look, horsies. I don't know. Next is a $10 Ben & Jerry's gift card. I should go get me some ice cream. A $10 Ben & Jerry's ice cream that I got from a customer for my birthday. Almost, what are we in? What month is it? June? January, February, March, April, May. June. 6 months ago, I got it for my birthday. Six months ago. Okay? We're just going to keep digging. What's next? Oh, 25% off. This is from my wax lady, my waxtician. If y'all are in the local Philadelphia area, go to Waxfoliant, okay? AKA New Skin is the name of the building you are looking for. And not new spelled with the N-E-W. It's N-U. Anyways, little thing. If I punch them all out, I get 25% off. I always forget. I'm not going to forget this time. We got to keep this somewhere safe. Next, I got me a gift card from Target. I don't know how many of y'all know, but Target be giving out free gift cards if you buy like feminine products. Most feminine products come with gift cards. They may be like $5, but it come with a gift card. I got this one. I still got to scratch it off in the back. This is just the front pocket, y'all. I'm pulling all this crap out. Alright, next thing is my favorite lip combo. This lip gloss looks disgusting now because it has brown lip liner all in it. So don't judge me. And it's almost gone. But I have this random lip liner in a brown. And then this lip gloss that has barely nothing in it. And it's turning brown because these two go together. It's my favorite lip combo. Brown lip liner, clear lip gloss. I don't know. A mess. Beats headphones. And then this little cute thing that says Costa Rica on it with the cute little decals. My daddy got me this when he went to Costa Rica. And it just has my my medicine in it. I wouldn't even say medicine, my vitamins in it. It is for my uterus. So it just has my little uterus medicine in it. And then it has a mirror too. So I can look at myself and check myself out. Which is crazy because I never use the mirror. And I'm always like, oh, I need a mirror, I need a mirror. It's right there. As y'all can see, that was just the first pocket. Let's keep digging. And I'm just pulling things out. Like, I'm not, this is no order. I'm just gonna pull things out. I know y'all probably like, she's crazy. Alright, first, my wallet. Gotta have a wallet. This is my Guess wallet. It is slowly getting into bad condition. Like, look at that. Look at that flippity flap. My wallet. That's one thing that's in there. You always gotta have your wallet on you. Cause why would you be leaving the house without your wallet? Oh. Okay. Next, I have some private wipes for your private parts. You gotta have wipes for your privacies. If you don't have wipes for your privacies, I don't know what to tell you, okay? I also have a spray that goes with the wipes. It's just not in this purse because this purse can't fit no more stuff. Alright, next I have this cute little see-through pouch. It did come with like the Believe Korean skincare, but I had ended up using the skincare and now I just use it to carry all my little essentials. So there's some hand sanitizer in here. I ain't even gonna pull I ain't gonna pull it all out. There's some hand sanitizer in here, some lotion, two lotions. We got a hemp lotion. This is a sugar cookie, vanilla sugar cookie, and then I have a glycerin hand cream from Bath and Body Works. I have Frenchie's Moon Milk lip gloss and a Dove deodorant in here. There is another lip gloss missing from here. Girl, when we find it, we'll put it in there. But I have this. I always have my essentials. Quite frankly, I need to keep this in my car. This is like an in the car essentials bag. But it is what it is, sis. Next, I have some antibacterial hand wipes. These are supposed to be in my car. They're not in my car. They're in my purse. Because I use them to wipe down carts and stuff of that nature. Because, ew, why are you raw dogging carts in the grocery store? Anywhere. Oh, look, this is a receipt to somebody's order at my job. But on the back of this, there is a, oh, this is for bundles. I'm keeping this. This is for hair weave, but natural hair bundles. So, it literally says on the back, Queen Weave hair. I know y'all can't see that. It ain't. Queen Weave natural bundles is what it says on here. I gotta keep that because I want to get some hair from there. Girl, everything. Oh, I done found me a $10 bill. That's what's up. Okay. Shmoney. Alright, next I have in here is Forever 21's Warm Vanilla Sand Body Mist. This smells so freaking good. So freaking good. Okay. Matter of fact, let's put this money in my wallet. Where did the wallet go? I just pulled it out. Where did it go? Oh, it's under the wipes. Okay. Let's put the money away. Okay, so that's the Sand and Fog. Freaking Forever 21. This smells so good. I got this at TJ Maxx. Y'all know Forever 21 done went bankrupt and out of business 30 million times. So if you can't find it there, TJ Maxx is where it's at. And then I have this giant bottle from Yara. This is their perfume. I think this is Lotus. Smells so good. These go so good together. I don't even know why I started with this big pocket after I did the front pocket. I should have did the two side pockets, but we'll just jump into those real quick. So then in my side pocket on here, I have some more lip gloss. This is EOS Cashmere Lip Butter. And then I have Lady Million Rolling Oil. I love to smell good, y'all, as you could tell. And then on the other side pocket, I got, oh, it's got fuzzies on it. Pepper spray. Because if you want to try it, you could try it. You will get sprayed. I don't fight. I don't argue. I'm just going to pepper spray you. Because once I feel threatened, it's a wrap. I'm spraying pepper spray. Alright, so back into the big pocket. We got some toothpicks. Which, if you don't got toothpicks in your bag, I don't know what you're doing. You're walking around with crumbs in your teeth. And, ooh, more money. I found not a 10. I found a 5. I like when I find money in my wallet. I mean, in my purse. Because sometimes I'll, like, pull money out. And I'll get change for it. And then I'll just throw it in my bag and not even, like, Girl stuff. If you're a girl, you understand. So next I have this EOS High Ultra Derm hand cream. This is in vanilla cashmere. I keep a lotion. Like I said, I keep multiple lotions in my purse. Don't ask. I got a problem. I have this. Oh, it's dirty. It's all kind of fuzzies on it now. I have this Athena Club Golden Cloud perfume. I keep this with me at all times. It's cute. It smells good. And it's small. And there's a lot in there. And I use it all the time. So for it to still be full like that is crazy. Alright, next thing I have is my taser. Speaking of which, she needs to be charged because I'm 100% sure it's got an alarm. Yeah, she's dead. You see? It won't even tase. It don't even zzz or nothing. It's dead. I gotta charge it. It comes with a little outlet thingy right here. You plug it into your wall. So I got my taser, which needs to be charged. Now that I know that it's dead, I'm going to charge it today. Can't be walking around with a dead taser. That's crazy work. I'm wilding for respect. Next we have a pen. Oh, my camera's about to die. Okay, we're back. I have to change my battery and apply some lip gloss. But I have or left off wait, I had a pen. I have a pen. Always have a pen in my purse. You never know when you have to sign something. I have a little container of ibuprofen, because I suffer from extreme menstrual cramps, and every now and then I get a little headache or a little back pain, so ain't nothing wrong with having some ibuprofen. And then I got some sunglasses. This was not intentional. I did not put these in here to match. I've been wearing these all week long. I got these orange sunglasses, which are freaking cute. Real big, real bulky. I got these from Shein a while ago. Always got a pair of sunnies. Never leave without a pair of sunnies because it'd be bright outside. I have my $100 bill, golden $100 bill. This is meant to keep money flowing in your life. Wherever you put it is where the money will flow. Okay, I keep this in my purse, and my wallet is never empty. My bank account is never empty. Of course, when you buy this, you have to do your own spiritual things and your own you have to do your own to make it actually work for you. But I keep this in my purse and on me at all times, and money is constantly flowing to me. Am I rich? No. But am I without? No. You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm not without. So I always keep this in my purse. This is yeah, you seen I pulled out 15 bucks. Just, and I forgot it was in there. So money in abundance when I have this in my bag. And next I have a travel case. This travel case is for my perfumes. It literally has a bunch of little random travel perfumes in it. Can I tell you which one is which? No. And then I even have some of these. Oh my god, I was looking for these. I even have some of these in here, and they all smell so good. So I just keep a bunch of random perfumes on me. This one has Now in it by Lattafa. This one is empty, almost empty. This one has something in it, and this one has something. I don't know what any of these smells are. I be playing perfume roulette when I come in here and get this. This is in all my purses, which is crazy because I don't know why I bring the big bottles when I had the little ones, but something is wrong with me. Don't judge me. I know your purse probably looks just as crazy. Alright, we're going to go into another little pocket. I have a comb. Or is it? It's actually a knife. I don't play about my safety, and I don't ever want to be in a situation where I don't have any kind of weapon on me. I don't care what state, what city, I don't care where I live. I'm always going to have a weapon on me because people are fucking crazy. So keep you a weapon. Y'all see, I got a taser, I got pepper spray, and I got a knife. And I got all of these from a company called Beyond Defense, the black owned brand. I don't know if they still exist. It was a couple years ago when I bought this. I got all this from a black owned brand. Stay protected, ladies. If you don't own a gun, keep something. I don't own a gun, so I keep something. A receipt. 2 receipts from my job. We got business cards for a cleaning company. Clean out trash removals, business cards. I always got business cards. People just be giving me shit. And then I got some panty liners because, you know, just in case somebody's on their period or their period starts or whatever the case may be. Panty liners. There was some tampons in here. They're no longer in here because I used them. Alright, we're down to the nitty gritty. I have, a hair tie. A torch lighter, which doesn't even work anymore. This little bag, which comes with like all the essentials. I have tweezers in here. Band-aids. Hand hair ties, a sewing kit, a glasses cleaner, bobby pin. It's just a little bag of everything. A nail filer. I keep this on because it's like my little emergency kit, okay? And then last but not least in this bag is this is just my little makeup bag. I keep like all my lipsticks in here because that's all I really wear. And a mascara, I think, is all that's in here. And it says, kindness is cool. Yes, it is. And in here I have, these little soap thingies, these little travel soap thingies. Like you take them out and it's just a little tiny, it's a little sleeve of soap. And you just put it in your hand and add water and rub it together. And it melts. And you can wash your hands, okay? You can clean your hands with that. And then I also have more lip liners. One of these is Night Moth by MAC, and this other one is another brown one. I have a buttery lip balm. This one is a red color. It's not just the way the bottle looks. Oh my god, it really is red. And then I have a Scentbird perfume that I hardly ever use, which is almost gone. Told you I have a lot of perfume. I have a Becca hydrating lip scrub in case my lips get really dry. Sometimes my lips get dry and I have to like exfoliate them to get the dead skin off, so that's what that's for, because you can't walk around with dead skin. I have some mascara, and then I have some Fenty lipstick, and this is in a reddish color. And that's it. Let me double check and make sure that's it, because sometimes it just be random things sitting around. Nope. And that's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below if your purse is just as messy as mine. Or if it's even worse. Sis, ain't no judgment here. We are girls, and a girl's gotta have everything a girl needs. But that's all I have for you guys. And you already know what I'm gonna say, so say it with me. Until next time, we out. Peace.